Video is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups from the site folizatinggrown.com. Folizatinggrown.com is a malicious site. The real purpose of this site is to basically trick users into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. For instance, this could be some unwanted browser extension or some other type of potentially unwanted software. So if you see this pop up by folizatinggrown.com, don't trust it, simply leave this page. I also recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the software, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.